Hey I&C guys.
Stop guessing.
You need a level measurement, but which one? Is it the cheap classic or the high-tech heavyweight? Let's talk ultrasonic level sensor. Ultrasonic level sensor is non-contact, super easy to install, and the cost? Low. It's perfect for open tanks, water, and simple storage. Why ultrasonic? Low budget, low complexity. But here's the problem. Ultrasonic cannot handle heavy steam, corrosive vapor, or foam. Those conditions destroy its reading. In a harsh chemical tank, it's a massive fail. Now meet guided wave radar level sensor. Guided wave radar sensor uses a probe directly in the liquid. Why guided wave radar? It delivers extremely high accuracy, and guess what? It completely ignores foam, vapor, and pressure. It's the industrial champion. Why not guided wave radar? It's a beast, but it's expensive. Plus, that probe is intrusive. If you have heavy buildup or abrasive solids, you'll be pulling it out for maintenance constantly. So remember, simple clean liquid, tight budget,
Ultrasonic.
high accuracy, foam, or vapor. Guided wave radar. Choose wisely. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and like for more informative videos.